right? They not inferiority. This allow. This is correct.
Yeah.
So PAH, what you have shown, I mean, that is okay. That I will highlight. And slug catcher is this, and abnormal condition, of course,
Yeah,
yes.
it is abnormal, of course. Yeah. Why
And
N?
maybe Hajop, they might have considered alarm.
Yeah, yeah. High
Yeah.
alarm, yes.
Maybe in SIL, let us see. But when to see? What is the tag number?
See, the seal worksheet. In the seal worksheet, if you have high, go to the log, right? If you go to the PSDH, there should be a high alarm there first before.
PSDH.
Yeah. You go to the PSDH, yeah, here, yeah. No, this is, yes, this is like a, right? If you see here, there will be alarm first, of course. Did we? No. Why we did not consider it in? Sorry, I remember why we did not consider it as a IPL. It's because it's very immediate, right? When pressure high happens, less than in few seconds, it will reach high.
Yeah, you don't have response
So
time.
it's not considered a safeguard. Yeah.
Rapid action. Correct. So this is valid because we are qualified. And what is the cause of this PAH? Salam Bhai?
Yeah.
More pressure. Maybe see more pressure.
More pressure. If you go more pressure, it will be
PSDH. We have not taken here also. No, this is wrong.
blockage. So okay. Inadvertent closure of SDB
Slug catcher, yeah.
on slug catcher outlet.
This one, yeah. This you have taken, yeah. Taken this one. You have taken HOP is there. Correct?
Yeah, yes. Yeah, see?
Yeah, this is there. This is there.
There's no 03, right? 04 is actually in there. Even in HASOP. Yeah, in HASOP is there already.
Yeah, in HOP it is there.
Yeah. So we can say considered in HASOP a safeguard, right? So,
yeah, correct. So what is the cause here? Cause is inadvertent closure of this one.
Yeah. You can copy this one, inadvertent closure of, yeah.
And